Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So let's jump right in. This is a wig that I had for over a year now. It's a 613 here and it is custom made by me. It also from my hairline prestigehumanhair.com. So pretty much I wanted to throw this wig away and I was like, hold up, you know what? Let me cut this here. Let me put it into a bang because I haven't wear bang in a long time. And I was like, okay, before I throw it away, let me see how it will look with a bang. So that's why I decided to do the bang. And yeah, I'm here. So I'm going to show you guys how I get this bang. You guys saw the intro and all of that stuff. So pretty much I'm just parting my hair. It is a 13 by 6 lace front. And as I said, I have this wig over a year ago and I color it myself. I do everything myself. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the bang. I'm just sectioning it off. Don't worry about the side because I didn't decide to glue it down because I'm just doing this just for the video. And then I'm going to take it off after it's finished. So I'm just going to go ahead and just make sure that I get it to the desired length that I want. Okay guys, so now that I get the part the way how I want, as you guys can see, I'm showing you where I want the bang to stop. So it's right at my brow, the end of my brow. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and just make sure that it's the way how I want it to be. So with bang, when you do the bang, you remember you guys want to buff it up with a curling or straightening iron. So don't cut it too short. I like to cut my bang in the center of my nose, like the bridge of my nose. This is where I like to cut the bang. So I'm showing you where not to cut the bang right now, which is right up there. Don't do that. No. Cut it right there. Because remember, when you buff this here up, the bang is going to go up a little bit higher. So you don't want to cut right exactly at your eyebrow. Cut it below your eyebrow. And I didn't have my scissors because I couldn't find it, so I just use a small scissors. And if you don't cut it straight after when you fix it up, you cut it and fix it up and make it look more straighter. So I put it on the mannequin head and I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up. I'm gonna put my mousse and make sure that the bang is laid on properly. Okay guys, so now that's all done. I'm just gonna make sure that the hair is part because when you cut it onto your head you cannot see it. So that's why it's good to put it onto the mannequin head, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and clip the sides down. And this is the mousse that I'll be using. You could get it at your beauty supply store and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up, and then I'm gonna put it right onto the bang and over the whole, pretty much the whole entire top of the wig, and just lay it down with a comb. So this is how you get the bang to be flat and neat. So when that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and just tie it down with anything that you have. Just tie it down, and I'm gonna let it sit for overnight because I want it to be completely laid down and dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay it down for overnight. So now you see it's the next day and my background is different. I'm gonna go ahead and take the scarf off, and as you can see, it is completely laid, like it is flat laid. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my olive oil. This is for when you're putting heat into your hair. This is like a heat protector. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it all over the entire wig because I'm gonna use heat in this hair. I'm gonna blow dry it and all of that good stuff. So this is the blow dryer. It already have a comb attached to it. I bought it on Amazon. I don't remember where it's from, but I bought it on Amazon. And I'm gonna put it on high heat and just blow dry it. So this is a curling iron that I have. I also bought this from Amazon. I was trying to show you the heat. It was on 420. Couldn't see it because my lighting was so bright, but this one, it comes with different sizes. So that's the biggest size, and then you have a smaller size and a smaller size. So if I could find it, I'll put it up on the screen of where I bought it, but I bought it from Amazon. So pretty much I'm gonna go ahead and just curl the hair up. I mean, come on, who don't know how to curl hair? It's just curling it up pretty much. And then I'm just gonna curl the entire hair, and then I'm just gonna hold it into my hand because I want it to be a little bit wavy. So I'm just gonna hold it into my hand so that it could be cool, and then drop it. So I'm just gonna do this all through the entire hair, and I'm also gonna spray my Sebastian spray in it. This is like a hold, so it pretty much hold the curl of the hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue to curl this up. Look at them curls, baby. Look at that bounce. Oh my god, it is so nice. I wish I had keep this curl, but I did when I hit and I comb it out. I wish I did. But this is the end. I curl it up and I just buff the front. So when I head off camera and I put on my wig, also this makeup look is already on my channel. Make sure you check it out. It is very perfect for the holiday. And pretty much this is the way how it looks after I comb it out. As I said, I shouldn't comb it out. I was so mad with myself. I was like, god damn it, girl, why did you comb it out? But it still looked good. I cannot believe this. I have this here over a year ago, and I decided I wanted to throw it out, but I was like, okay, let me just do something with it. If it turned out horrible, I'm going to throw it out. So yes guys, this is from my website, prestigehumanhair.com. My website is in process, it's working on, so don't worry, it's going to come soon. And I'm also, by the way, I will be having a lot of hair tutorial for next week. I have a very special hair tutorial for the Christmas, so stay tuned for that. And pretty much, if you want me to do another makeup tutorial or hair tutorial, just leave it in the comment section. Any hair color that you want me to try, let me know, and I will definitely do that for you guys. But I hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.